Hi, this is Imran from Mba Digital Chaiwala. In this video, we are going to learn how we can remove our image background in just few simple steps by online. So let's get started. So what you have to do, just open your Google and type remove background or remove.bg simple. So when you type into your search bar, so the very first link, just click here, and what you have to do, just upload your image. So I want to remove this image background. So what I have to do, just select the image and then wait for the uploading. Okay, now the image background have been removed. So what I have to do, just download the image, and here is a download. So I will open, and the image background is totally removed. So I can use this for my YouTube thumbnail or any other purpose. So you don't need to get any premium software or AutoCAD or any other software. So just in few simple steps, you can remove your image background by online. Thank you so much for watching.